Are your tackies surviving?
I hope so.
Yeah, they're looking good so far.
Alright.
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Dreaming every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Down Under Diaries, a series where I take you on my adventures down under in Australia. So yeah, in today's video we are heading to Byron Bay. We're going to visit some friends of ours and we're staying over the night there as well. So come with me on that adventure. Majority of it will probably be beach, but you never know what you find along the way, so let's get into the video. And if you like this series, make sure to like and subscribe to stay tuned for future videos. There should be quite a few still. We have about 2 weeks left. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. So the reason why we were heading to Byron Bay this day was to visit some old friends of ours that were on holiday there at the time, and it wasn't too far because we were staying at the Gold Coast, so it was a reasonably short drive. So when we got to Byron Bay, it was a complete little surfer town as one would expect it to be, with all its little street side shops and cafes and little bars. It was so hot this day and humid. There was a storm approaching, not yet, as you can see. The beach was beautiful, but it was so hot outside we had to go get a drink. So we stopped in at a bar and it had this disco shark, which was honestly the highlight of Byron Bay. My drink was not that great, but then when we got to the beach again, the storm was approaching, so you just could see how everyone fled the beach, and we also kind of fled because we had to get to our actual stop. Unfortunately, we couldn't go see the lighthouse because of the rain and there was just a lot of traffic up there, so we took a skip. Hopefully we'll see it next time. But then we stopped at Lennox Head, which was our actual location, and there is this beautiful tea tree lake, which is quite creepy at the same time because the water is literally black, but apparently it's very good for your hair. I personally wouldn't swim in there. So we had dinner with our friends and it was on to the next day at Lennox Head. We took a lovely walk along the coastal line, looked at all the surfers. There were so many surfers. I've never seen that many surfers in my life, but it was just so idyllic and beautiful. What's really nice about the surfing spot as well is they surf quite close to where the walkway is, so you don't have to look too far out.
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life.
Then our friends told us to go to a little artsy town called Bungalow, which has these really cute buildings that just look like you've stepped back in time. There's also quite a few cute cafes and just little shops, and this stunning red brick church. The details on those pillars are really beautiful. It's just a really artsy little hippie kind of town vibe. Then this is just some footage from when we went to Tambourine Mountain. I didn't take too much for that day, so I just added it to this video. But we went on this little walk. That was another waterfall walk. We were also trying to avoid the rain once again, so we had to speed walk, and my dad had just bought white shoes and proceeded to wear them because we didn't think we were going to go on a forest walk. So he was trying his best to avoid the mud, which was quite entertaining. Are your tackies surviving?
I hope so.
Yeah, they're looking good so far.
Alright.
But we eventually got to the waterfall and it was beautiful as expected. So that's the end of today's video, very short and sweet. Our next video will be a bit longer as we head to South Bank, Brisbane, which is one of my favorite places. So I'll catch you for the next video. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Bye!